Hey everyone! Today we're going to dive into the Performance Analyzer tool in Power BI. This built-in tool is essential for spotting bottlenecks in your reports by recording exactly how long each visual takes to load, helping you optimize performance. First, launching and recording performance. The Performance Analyzer is simple to launch from the main view. Launch tool. Navigate to View/Performance Analyzer to open the dedicated pane. Clear cache. Before recording, always click Clear to remove any cached data. This ensures your load times aren't misleadingly fast. Start recording. Click Start Recording, then refresh the report page or individual visual you want to analyze. Stop. Click Stop Recording once the page has finished loading. Next, interpreting load times. The results show the duration, in milliseconds, for each visual to load. Review duration. Examine the duration in milliseconds column for each visual. Identify bottlenecks. Use the sort feature on the total duration column, descending, to spot the slowest visuals. Target load times. Aim for a total page load time of 7 seconds or less for optimal performance. If a page exceeds this point, proceed to the next step. Optimizing slow visuals. If a visual is slow, you must inspect and simplify its underlying calculations. View query. Expand the slow visuals entry and click Run DAX Studio preview feature to inspect its underlying DAX query. Apply fixes. Edit a query to apply common optimizations, such as reducing row context using appropriate use of calculate and filter, replacing iterator functions such as SUMX with standard aggregations when possible, and leveraging variables, var, to store and reuse intermediate results. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.